Yo, what's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another cleaning video. Yo, sorry if I sound a little stuffy, guys. It's that time of the year, but hopefully you guys can bear with it and hopefully I don't sound too bad. But today, guys, I am gonna be cleaning these Air Force One lows that, as you can see, are dirty and very sticky. It's sticking to that towel pretty good. I don't know what it is, but it's pretty gross. But I am gonna be cleaning that up, guys, with Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Cleaning Kit. And some of the items that do come in that are gonna be the sneaker laundry detergent and, of course, the big Boss 16-ounce bottle of solution, guys. So I'm excited to get started on this cleaning. So without further ado, let's get bubbly. For this video, guys, I am only gonna clean the right side, so I'm gonna take this left one and put it down here on the floor. And as always, guys, the first step, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, the next step is gonna be to grab the adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are size 11.5. So I think it's gonna either be second to the last one, if not third one. There it is. What that's gonna allow me to do, guys, is apply more pressure on this toe box and also help keep that form and reduce the creasing. As you can see, this one's pretty creased up, or it was before I put the shoe tree in. But after the wash and after it dries, it should start getting back to its normal shape. Now, guys, let's go ahead and grab our 16-ounce bottle of solution here and mix it with our bowl of water. Just little 2 small squirts like that. And I am gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush.
What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for watching this video. I'm interrupting to let you guys know that we have a special sale going on for our YouTube viewers only. It's a 2-day sale. Save 40% off our Ultimate kits. That's right, 40%. Use promo code ULTIMATE40 at checkout. First come, first serve, while supplies last. Let's get back to the video.
All right, guys, there you go. I am done hitting up the uppers with the soft bristle brush. As you can see, it cleaned off majority of the stains that were on there. However, in the stitching, it's still a little dingy. It's a little dark and dirty. There are a little, like, what appears to be crumbs in the little stitching as well. And then a few, obviously, stains on the midsole, which I haven't really hit up, and on the back here. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is move on to the medium bristle brush, hit up the entire uppers again, just to try to get that netting a little cleaner, get these stains out a little more. And then I'll use that same medium bristle brush to hit up the midsole, and then we'll move on to the outsole and use a stiff bristle brush. So let's go ahead and do that next. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the entire shoe. Go ahead and check that out. They are looking really, really good. However, the inner lining is like that mesh material. So as I mentioned in other previous videos, anytime you clean any knitted material, whether that be mesh, fly knit, or prime knit, anytime you clean it, dirt's just gonna seep into the material and it's gonna look dingy. So like, as you can see, it looks dingy here. Now the laundry system will go ahead, flush out all that dirt, pull it out, and these should clean up to its normal white color. Now, one other thing I do want to point out, guys, is the shoe is already starting to yellow. You can see it here on the midsole and as well as the outsole here, and then like on the edges. Now, unfortunately, our product isn't going to remove yellowing. That's just due to oxidation and wear, but I'm hoping that the shoe still cleans up nice and it looks good after we put it in the wash. Now, guys, it's time for the laces. So these are pretty dirty. What you want to do is just grab them, dip them into the bowl of solution and water mixture, and then rub them in between your hands to get a good cleaning. There it is, guys. Laces are nice and pre-treated. I'm gonna go ahead and just put them in the shoe like so. Now it's time to grab the laundry bag. I'm gonna put the shoe in there. I'm gonna go ahead and lock it up. All right, let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, so whenever you're using the washer, you're gonna go ahead and just put the shoe in there like so. If you have a detergent hatch, you can go ahead and put the detergent in there. If not, you can go ahead and put it on the shoe. It's easy. You wanna make sure you use a normal cycle and cold water, and that's it. We'll be back. All right, guys, before we go ahead and take a look at what the Air Force Ones look like, I want to remind you to go ahead and click that subscribe button to make sure you're subscribed and hit that little notification bell so you know every single time we post a video. Because as you guys already know, we do crazy giveaways, guys. We have some crazy content coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now let's go see what these Air Force Ones look like. All right, guys, we are back. As you can see, these Air Force Ones are looking nice and crispy once again. Let me go ahead and show you guys a side by side real quick. Once again, guys, I was able to achieve these results with Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Shoe Cleaning Kit that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. And I know what some of you guys are gonna say, because we see the comments all the time, is why not just buy another pair of Air Force Ones? Well, let me tell you like this, it's real simple. The bottle solution that comes in here is a 16-ounce bottle, which is the biggest bottle we got. You can get up to 160 cleanings with that bottle. Are you gonna go and buy 160 pair of these? I doubt it. So go ahead, pick up the kit. I know you want it. There's a promo code in the description below. But that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Last thing I need from you guys is to comment, what's your favorite cleaning video I've ever done? Like, was it the one where I wore makeup? Was it the Sakai's, where there was like maggots? Let me know in the comment section below, guys, and I'm gonna choose one lucky random winner to win a repellent. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.